much. Who do you care if there ain't anybody else who's living around you? You need the person that cares and gives you affection, staying next to you. Have you ever thought about your life? If you gotta stay alone, just leave the time, imagine that. After all said and done, inside, then you see that everything is alright.